What's up, y'all? It's me, your girl Chi Chi, and welcome to my channel BB&J with Chi Chi. Listen, this channel is to awaken, inspire, and transform your mind, body, and soul, okay, from the inside out. So let's jump right in. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to cleaning out my closet, okay? And let me tell y'all something. I'm being very transparent letting you in my closet because it was a hot mess. But listen, it's been on my mind and it's been in my spirit that I need to clean out my closet. And I'm going to tell you why. Because you have to ask yourself, if you want something new, you have to make room for what you want. In order to gain something new, you got to get rid of the old so that you can make room for new things to come into your life. So cleaning out my closet is not just a physical act, y'all. It is a spiritual act as well. It's called decluttering, getting organized, because organization requires elimination. So before I take you in on this journey, let me give you like maybe 3 or 4 tips as to why you need to clean out your closet. Number 1, you just need to get organized. Declutter, right? You got to get rid of the old, right? Get rid of the old so that you can bring in the new, so that you can create some structure and some organization to your environment. Number 2, it is so good for you to clean out your closet because there's so many things in your closet that could be a blessing to somebody else. So you might want to take it to the Goodwill. You might have a friend that needs a new blazer that you had hanging up in there. You ain't want it. It still has tags on it. Give it away. I would say probably the last thing is this. The seasons change. So when the seasons change, y'all, you got to switch out that wardrobe, okay? From winter to summer to spring to fall, that gives you an opportunity to switch out your wardrobe. So sit back and watch the transformation begin. And heck, you might be inspired to clean out your closet, okay? Okay. The thing about cleaning out a closet is, boy, you be thinking like, oh, should I hold on to this? But the bottom line is, if you ain't worn it in the past 6 months to a year, you ain't gonna wear it. Deuces, get rid of it. Hello. Hey, you just
What we gotta do is just go ahead and have both photo shoots, me and Giselle, and then me and you.
wait a minute, say that again. What'd you say? Say that again? Girl, your phone is horrible.
I don't know how you wanna get home.
Okay. Hey. So, I found this. I forgot who gave me this, but I love butterflies, right? Because they stand for, they represent transformation. And I love the butterfly. My house is called the House of Transformation, by the way. But I love this little bag. I forgot who gave it to me. I don't know who gave me this. But just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. Look at that. You find all kinds of treasures when you clean out your closet. Okay? All right. Ooh, look what I got, y'all. Okay. This was a birthday gift from my mom. I've always wanted to learn how to play the violin. And I haven't pulled this thing out yet. I gotta get some lessons, okay? Ooh. Okay, y'all. This is my guitar. Not guitar, Lord Jesus. Violin. So you see why it is important for you to clean out your closet, because you never know what gifts are lying dormant in your closet. This is my guitar. Ooh, that's a whole word, honey. That'll preach. You know what? This just reminded me. I gotta get back to my violin lessons, y'all. So I'm in my closet, and this is the final results of, this is the end goal, okay? I actually used to have an old dresser. Now, y'all, I like putting my dressers in my closet. I cannot stand like my bedroom full of like dressers and big furniture except for my bed and maybe like a nice little sitting area or something. I do not like big old dressers in my bedroom. So I always put my dresser in my closet. So let me see, I'm gonna try to turn this around. Right there, see? I like to have it in here so it's out of the way, out of like in my room. You know, I just like a little freedom. So I got all this cleaned up. So this floor down here, it was like so much stuff. And as y'all can see by my hairstyle, it took a few days, okay? I ain't gonna lie, it took me a couple of days from beginning to end, okay? So I didn't get all this done in one day, because I'm sure I look different. You know, I had braids then, and now, you know, I got something new. That just goes to show, like, sometimes you gotta take a break, breathe, and then come back to it later. I can walk in my closet, have some space. I can dance, swirl, all of that, right? Couldn't do that before. Yeah, so I'm organized now. I got all my hats. Let me see if you can see that. You see my hats? I got my hats. Now, y'all know I love me some hats. Remember, I did a thing for y'all, a video for y'all about these hats. Look at that. Whew. So bad. I still got the tag on this. It's a bad mama jumper right there. Look at that right there. In cleaning out my closet, two treasures. So I found a bucket list that me and my BFF, my good friend June, I found a bucket list that we did years ago. This was in 2016. Look, we got 2016 BFF. We actually gonna do a little vlog on this, and we had put BFF bucket list. Y'all see that? This was one of those treasures. See, when you clean out your closet, you find stuff that you were supposed to been doing a long time ago. I don't know, you know, it just brought back memories, but it rekindled some things. So we actually created a new bucket list because we were like, you know what, we gotta get back to this again. Look at that. Now, there you go. The other treasure I found, which y'all saw, was a violin. My mom gave me a violin for my birthday. This is my guitar. Let me get that violin. Here it is, my violin. I am going to learn how to play the violin. This reminded me of a goal, of something that I wanted to do. It reminded me that I need to pick this back up again. And this is just something, one of those hidden treasures that I know I needed to find so that I can get back on track with my goals, because this is truly a goal. I've always wanted to learn how to play the violin. I want to be able to put my family to sleep at night. All right, my husband to sleep, be like, go to sleep, baby, go to sleep. So you never know what you're gonna discover when you clean out your closet. I was able to give a lot of stuff away, get rid of a whole lot of things. Here's the rule. If you have not worn it within 6 months to a year, get rid of it, trash it. You ain't gonna wear it, booze, okay? There you have it. Clean out your closet. You never know what treasures you're going to find, what things you may find, good things you actually may find that actually may trigger good memories, you know what I mean? And just remind you of certain things that you need to do all over again. And then you have some things you just need to get rid of, get rid of it, just throw it away. All right, start over, get new, reorganize, refresh, renew by cleaning out your closet. So that's it, y'all. I'm your girl, Charmin Chi-Chi. Thank you for tuning in to BB&J. Please like, subscribe. I need the following, so I ask you to please follow me. I have so many more things I want to share with you all, so I would love it if you would just subscribe so that way you will know the next time I upload. So until the next time, the next place, and the next topic, stay dope, y'all.